Hi, Kevin here. Nice to see you again. For dinner tonight, we're fixing a vegan meal. So what I have here is a can of chickpeas that I drained, and one onion diced, a yellow squash, a zucchini, and some rice that I made and froze the other day. Okay, I'm going to slice up the squash and then I'll come right back. Okay, my rice is reheating in the microwave oven, and I have my chickpeas here, which I'm also going to heat up in the microwave oven. These will only take like 90 seconds to heat. And let me show you the squash. Yeah, I cut the yellow squash and the zucchini into, between an 1/8 inch thick and a 1/4 inch thick rounds. Okay, now I'm going to move you over to the stovetop. Hang on. All right, my skillet is set over medium heat, and I'm going to add, about a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons of safflower oil. And I'm using safflower oil instead of olive oil because the safflower has a high smoke point, unlike olive oil. Okay, now the onion that I diced had been previously frozen, so this is going to cook in probably 60 seconds. And I do want it to brown just slightly. That way it will become extra sweet. Okay, and I will return in 60 seconds. Oh, and I'm going to add some garlic paste to the onion. Garlic paste is really convenient to have. Saves you a lot of time peeling and chopping garlic. About the equivalent of 1 garlic clove. Stir that in. The other nice thing about the garlic paste is that it doesn't burn quickly. In other words, it doesn't become bitter. Okay, already the onion is starting to color a little, so now I'm going to add the yellow squash and zucchini. Those a quick stir. Yeah, I made this same dinner the other night, and Mr. Fox and I loved it. And it contains no meat products or animal products whatsoever. Very healthy, and the chickpeas will provide the protein. Okay, then we have to season these up with some kosher salt. You might like to use sea salt here. And some black pepper, freshly ground. Stir that in. Okay, then I'm going to cover the skillet and put the heat on low and let the vegetables steam for exactly 5 minutes. We'll come back. Okay, 5 minutes are up. The onion, zucchini, and yellow squash are perfectly cooked, and they're very fragrant too. Yeah, you really don't have to add much beyond salt and pepper when you cook squash this way. Okay, my chickpeas are heated, my rice is hot, and all I have to do is plate this up. So I'll come back to show you what the dinner looks like on the plates. Okay, here it is on the plate, and as a finishing touch, I'm just going to drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil over the vegetables and the chickpeas and the rice. So this is my serving. This is Mr. Fox's serving. And because it's Sunday night and because I am over the age of 21, I'm going to have a martini with my meal. And this martini, by the way, is vegan. Oh, and I did sprinkle a little salt on the rice and the chickpeas. Well, I hope you will give this gorgeous vegan meal a try someday. Even with slicing the vegetables, I think the whole meal took not more than 10 minutes to prepare. And when Mr. Fox tasted it the other night, he said the dinner tasted like pure good health. All right, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.